Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest and detailed review of Scribe, including its features, pros, cons, and whether it's actually worth using in your daily workflow. First, let's understand what Scribe is. Scribe is a tool that automatically creates step-by-step guides by recording your screen actions. Instead of manually writing tutorials, you simply perform a task and Scribe captures clicks, screenshots, and instructions instantly. This makes it extremely useful for creating tutorials, training documents, and standard operating procedures. One of the biggest advantages of Scribe is speed. What normally takes hours to document can be done in minutes. You just turn it on, complete your process, and Scribe generates a clean, structured guide automatically. This is perfect for teams, businesses, and content creators who need to document workflows quickly. Another strong feature is ease of use. The interface is very simple, and you don't need any technical skills to get started. Once your guide is created, you can edit text, add notes, blur sensitive information, and share it using a link or export it as a document. It also integrates with tools like Google Docs and Notion, which helps streamline collaboration. Scribe also offers a clean and professional output. The guides include clear screenshots and step-by-step instructions, making them easy to follow for beginners. This is especially helpful for onboarding new employees or explaining processes to clients. Now let's talk about the downsides. One common limitation is customization. While Scribe creates guides automatically, you don't have full control over layout and design compared to manually created documentation. If you need highly customized or branded guides, you may need extra editing. Another issue is pricing. The free version is quite limited, and many useful features like advanced editing, team collaboration, and exports are locked behind paid plans. This can be a drawback for individuals or small teams on a tight budget. Some users also mention that the tool works best for straightforward workflows. For more complex processes that require explanations beyond simple steps, you may still need to manually add details or context. There can also be occasional inaccuracies. Since Scribe relies on automatic capture, it might miss certain actions or label steps in a way that needs correction, so reviewing your guide before sharing is important. So, is Scribe worth it? For most users, especially teams and businesses, the answer is yes. If your goal is to save time, create documentation quickly, and improve workflow clarity, Scribe is a very powerful tool. However, if you need full creative control, advanced customization, or you're working on a very tight budget, you might find some limitations. Scribe is a fast, user-friendly, and highly efficient tool for creating step-by-step guides automatically, but it comes with some trade-offs in customization, pricing, and accuracy, so the best choice depends on your specific needs and how often you create documentation. Subscribe the channel for more videos.